My name is Avnish Kumar. I am the founder and CEO of LivNSense. We are working on the sustainability and safety of the industry, which is essentially the E and S part of the ESG. We are delivering the key impacts in terms of reducing the wastages in real time. We are also helping the company to manage their carbon compliance, and at the same time we are making the work sites safer. So these are the three key outcomes we are delivering, which relates to ESG sector directly. And today we are working across US and India, specifically in heavy industries, which is where the challenges of environment and safety is a major concern. So specifically oil and gas and metals and mines. We have also recently entered into cement and asphalt. Cement we are trying to address with alternative energy. Essentially we are trying to make use of waste as a fuel, and in case of asphalt we are trying to help reduce the gas consumption or energy consumption, which is a big issue in US today. So this is what we are doing it. Our impact in terms of what we have delivered till today is goes into the millions of metric tons of carbon emission reduction across this site. We have been functional across more than 14 plants as of date.